Hello, and welcome to the STEIL Common Molecules Models video. In this video, I will discuss the design of and considerations for producing and using these common molecule models. There are 6 models that have been developed for real molecules that students may commonly encounter in a basic chemistry class. These models are methane, CH4, ammonia, NH3, water, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2, chloroform, CH3Cl, and dichloromethane, CH2Cl2. Each model was produced using white PLA filament. The models can be printed using uniform infill density, but for our models, the infill was varied based on the relative electronegativity of each atom in the model. This was done to help students who are blind or visually impaired to understand the concept of electron density in the molecules. The models can also be printed with varying densities on each atom to reflect the relative mass of each atom in the molecule. This is what gives it an advantage over the more traditional molecular modeling kits used in classrooms, since those atom structures are uniform in their density. Hydrogen was designed as the smallest size sphere for the model, while the other elements were all set to be about the same size. These models do not have any specific braille or print letters to identify individual elements, though this is something that could be modified for these models in the future. Instead, the models can be identified based on the size and density of the atoms positioned around the molecules. They can also be identified by the number of atoms and geometries of the structures. The printed bonds can be broken with enough applied force, but are otherwise very sturdy. The PLA filament should hold together quite well for basic manipulation. Thanks for watching the STEIL Common Molecules model video. We hope that this has given you some insight into ways you can use this model in your classroom. As always, a link to the model's STL files is in the video description below.